I wanted some pizza on a weekend, and this is what I came up with. And ever since I tried it and I tossed it together, I've been making it on the weekend every once in a while for dinner. So you could get you some organic Great Value marinara pasta sauce or whatever pizza sauce you enjoy. I just have not found a store-bought pizza sauce that I like. So this actually tastes amazing and it works well with this. I got me some Hormel turkey pepperoni. Keep that in mind. And it's delicious. Fresh cut herbs, basil. I have some fresh mozzarella pearls. And just for some added taste, you could skip this if you want. I have some sharp cheddar cheese. It's organic, Great Value. It's delicious. And this is what I'm using. This is my whole wheat pocket pita. There's 4 flatbreads. And let's toss this together because it's going to be delicious. I'm going to start off by taking one of my pocket pitas out, and keep in mind this is whole wheat. Just get it out. And I am just going to set it on my plate. I am going to give the bottom just a spray with some olive oil because I just feel it gives it a better taste when you cook it. And that's going to be on the bottom of the pita. So now we're going to add our marinara. And this is just a quick little pizza you could toss together. If you want to make some whole wheat pizza dough, that's fine. But this is for those who just don't feel like doing that. And I totally get it because, you know, sometimes you just want to toss something good together. And yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my organic cheddar on. I'm going to put my basil. I'm going to put my turkey pepperoni. I didn't leave it in slices. I couldn't find the one that is actually in cubes or diced, so I diced it myself. And then I'm going to put on my mozzarella. So I do have some leftover stuff, so just toss it on. Get it all in there, and let's put this on probably about 400 for my toaster oven or for your conventional oven. And then I'm going to cook it for about maybe 7 to 10 minutes. This is the best little pizza in the world. So try it out and you're going to love it. I promise. And I'll see you in my next video.